So hey guys, in this video, this is a shading tutorial. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do shading for beginners. So let's start. For this, you will need some chalks, which are like easy to blend. For example, blue and green. I feel them like they're easy to blend. Next, we will need some color pencils. I will need something which are related to those colors. So I'm choosing Kingfisher Blue, Emerald Blue, and then Sand Dune. And I would also need some other type of color pencils, which are normal common color pencils, black, light blue, and dark blue. It depends on what color you're using to the background and the color you're using for the walls. So we're going to do a walls. So let's start. I'm going to use blue for the background. So just do this. Scribble it up. So now I have it like this. And then I'm going to smooth it out with my finger, or you can use a napkin. So now what we're going to do next is I am going to use this like greenish type of chalk for the walls. I don't think you guys can like really see it. So yeah, this is the chalk one. I'm drawing a vase. So I'm just gonna have an outline. So when I do it with the pencil, it feels easier for me. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this chalk and rub the color into the walls. Like this. So now I'm gonna use this emerald blue to make the outline. Like this. The top, I'm gonna do this. So next, I'm going to add some shade to the walls. So I told you about the video that this is about shading. So now I'm gonna add the shade. I'm first gonna make it dark. Like this. I'm gonna try to blend it in. So when you're using a chalk, it's easier to blend it with color pencils. You see it's a little bit dark there. So now I'm gonna darken it a little bit more and then make it a bit lighter. Yeah. So on the top too, you should add a little bit more. So right now it looks like shade is falling onto it. And on the top, we're gonna add it a bit dark to show that the top, like, it's filled with something. So if you want it to be like, this is kind of like deep. The vase is deep, so it's gonna be dark, right, when it's deep. So that's why I use that. Next, I'm doing for the background. So I'm gonna add some shade to the side of the vase to show like the shade is really falling on it. So for that, I'm using the Kingfisher Blue. So I just zoomed you guys in so you can see more better. So, and if you use a color pencil lightly, we can blend it in easily. So you can blend it in easily with the chalk. So I outlined it with the Kingfisher Blue. And now I'm blending it in. You see the colors splashing out. So I guess I did it a little bit dark. But you still see it's dark over here. So next I'm gonna add dark blue. It's just normal dark blue. Any dark blue you have. And right now we want to add it to a darker place. Like it's when we go through, it's becoming darker and darker. So how I said here, darker to lighter, it's become now from the right, dark to light. So I'm gonna also use black for a little more, looks like a little more shade is falling, like more shade, which gives it the realistic effect. And shading, we can add shading for many things like people, animals, living things, plants, flowers, leaves, so many things. So if the light is falling on them from that side, so the shade is falling on this side. If the light is falling from this side, the shade is falling from that side. So when the light is falling this side, it's going to be dark that side. So when it's dark, it's pretty much really dark that side. So this side it's going to be light. That side it's going to be dark. So continuing, we will need again Kingfisher Blue to make the outline more. And then I'm going to take it lightly. So you see it's a bit dark than the light. If it's still like looking strokish to you, you can add the chalk on that, but except don't add it on the dark part, because if you add it there, it looks like it's also gonna become lighter. We don't want the dark part to become lighter because we're doing shades. So you anyway see it's lighter this side, it's darker that side. That's even on my chalk here. You see it, it's dark So this side I'm only trying to make it more lighter, but not really white. And I'm just gonna use the black one last time. And then I'm going to use dark brown for like a small kind of table. So this is the picture I drawed using chalks. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoy my video. And I also hope you learn how to do shading with chalks. Thank you, bye.